It's a Radley. Yeah, so I wanted to buy a little pruning saw, and I've seen these electric ones. They're on sale, so I got it for under $200, and I thought I'd give the electric ones a go. Battery operated. Automatic tensioner. Well, not automatic, but you just turn this dial, so that's good. And then these are the batteries you get, and you get 2 of them, and you get a charger, right? You get a chain, and it's all put together. So, and thought this would be a good pruning saw, because I don't want a big old chainsaw lugging around in the woods just to cut branches and smaller trees. And that's where your oil goes, right? You put your oil in there. So you get a double thing for the batteries, which is cool, because you want some fair amount of power. And the other thing is, I have benchmark tools, right? Battery operated benchmark tools, and I found out that these are more or less the same batteries that the Radley takes, just like that. See, so I already got some batteries, right? So extra batteries for the Radley. See, that's the way that goes. We'll use these batteries first before I switch to the benchmark batteries. Just wanted to show you, if you got benchmark tools, battery operated benchmark tools, you can fit them into one of these Radleys. So yeah, this is not for cutting firewood. Well, you probably cut small firewood, but and I have cut some small pieces. This is for pruning the woods, not for cutting bushes. Well, you can cut bushes if you're careful, but you know, it's a chainsaw, really. If some bushes will grab that chain and take it off track. You want a bush saw for for bushes. So I thought it'd be a good pruning saw, just for like branches and stuff, to get through the woods and try to open up the understory of the woods. Right, it's part of thinning and stop pruning and whatnot. Anyways, let's do a couple cuts over there and see how it is. Not very loud. I don't really need ear protection, so that's good. Chain's a little tight. I'll swap out one of these batteries. One of them are old. It needs to be charged. Yeah, this one. But it's alright, we got a benchmark. Usually they go through a little better than that. I haven't sharpened this. I've used this for 3 days now. Didn't even sharpen the chain yet. So probably should have if I was going to cut some bigger limbs. But anyways, just give you an idea what the Radley does. Oh, get in there, you. You all right, buddy? Good thing nobody was standing. Good thing somebody wasn't here holding this camera. Anyways, that's the Radley for you.